The idiom, tip of the iceberg, means that there is much more to a situation than what is immediately visible or known. It comes from the fact that only a small portion of an iceberg is visible above the water, while the majority of it is hidden beneath the surface. For example, if someone says, "The problems we are facing are just the tip of the iceberg," they are suggesting that there are many more problems that have not yet been revealed. This idiom can be used in many different situations, such as when talking about a complex issue, a difficult problem, or a hidden danger. Overall, the idiom tip of the iceberg is a way to emphasize that there is more to a situation than meets the eye, and that there may be additional challenges or complications that have not yet been discovered.